All right, hey everybody, how you doing? We're uh, we're at Bussy Woods here, and we got our drone. We're setting up for the drone right now. Maybe you can see my chair with my drink bag and our American flag for the wind, direction and speed. We're just setting up here right now. So I decided to take flight at a different place today. Looks like, yep. And at this forest preserve, I guess this is the airfield where you're allowed to fly model airplanes and stuff, which includes drones. So let's open up our whoa. Knocked my glasses off. So we're gonna put this out. We're gonna put it right about where the flag is, kinda. Whoops, walked right into the camera, didn't I? Let's find out which way north is. Gonna open up our compass. Let's see, where did I put it? There it is, right there. Camera compass. There we go. So we're gonna put the camera on the pad so it's in the north position, and then we're just going to rotate the pad until it's facing north. There we go. And now we're going to stake down our landing pad, just like we did yesterday. I think maybe I should have brought a hammer with, because the ground here seems a little too, oh, wow. Seems very hard. Ooh, don't want to break the stakes. And I kind of found this area by looking online to see, does Bussy Woods allow drone flying, and this is one of the locations that it came up, or where to fly drones in Cook County. Palatine is another area. All right, so now we got our landing pad in the right spot. Let's turn off the compass. Don't need that on anymore. I think what we will need is our coffee and the camera. There we go. Let's bring the camera a little closer to the chair, and then we'll adjust everything after we get started. grab our drone, and then close the hatch. Because the light, if I don't close the hatch, the light stays on, and then we got real problems. Alright. So here's our drone. From yesterday.